In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crawling or rolling text, step by step. Crawling or rolling text is that classic effect you see in movie credits or news tickers, where text smoothly scrolls across the screen. It's a great way to display longer messages, credits, announcements, or subtitles without cluttering your video. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process from setting it up, to adjusting the speed, to making it look clean and professional. First, open your video editing software and create or open the project where you want to add the rolling text. Make sure your main video clip is already on the timeline, so you can see how the text will appear on top of it. It's helpful to zoom in on the timeline a little so you can control the duration of your text more precisely. Next, add a new text layer. Usually, this is done by choosing the text or titles option, then selecting a basic text preset. Place this text layer above your video clip on the timeline. In the preview window, type in the full text you want to scroll. This might be credits, a long message, or a list of names. Don't worry if it runs off the screen at this point. We'll turn it into a scrolling animation in a moment. Now, position the text. For rolling credits, place the text just below the visible frame if you want it to scroll upward, or just above the frame if you want it to scroll downward. For crawling text, like a news ticker, place it just off the left or right side of the frame, depending on which direction you want it to move. The idea is that the text starts off screen and then travels across the visible area. To animate the text, you'll use keyframes or a built-in scrolling effect, depending on your software. At the first frame of the text layer, set a keyframe for the starting position off-screen. Then move the playhead to the end of the text layer and set another keyframe with the text in its final off-screen position on the opposite side. When you play it back, the software will automatically create the smooth scrolling motion between those 2 points. Adjust the duration of the text layer to control speed. A longer clip duration means slower, more readable movement. A shorter duration makes the text move faster. Play it back a few times and tweak the length until the text is easy to read from start to finish. Finally, customize the style. Choose a clear font, adjust the size, and pick a color that contrasts well with your background. If the video behind the text is busy, consider adding a semi-transparent bar or shadow behind the text so it stands out. When you're happy with the look and timing, export your video, and your crawling or rolling text is ready to share.